Today I'm going to make some chili for supper, something quick and easy. I'll show you guys all the ingredients. It's really easy to make. Okay, all it is, 1 can of diced tomatoes. Get that in there. I'm going to scrape that out. 1 can of kidney beans. Like I said, this is the easiest thing in the world to make. This is something quick and easy. Now, all I got left to do is a can of mushrooms, an onion, and you could put in some fresh garlic. I'm going to show this all along the way. Okay, can of mushrooms. And I got my meat in the microwave thawing out. Okay, I got my peppers and my onions all chopped up in there, so I'm just going to give it a stir. There, it's all stirred up. Now, I put my meat on to fry. And this is my meat. This is ground pork. Now, you can use beef, pork, whatever you want. I like ground pork. I don't like beef. Ugh. Okay, there's my meat. Squatting it up. This rig, oh my god. Game changer. It is way better than having to use an egg turner to do this. I love this rig. It is so much better for chopping up the meat into small pieces instead of you there with an egg turner and chopping away at it, trying to get it. This is so much easier. If you guys want one of these, I'll leave a link down below for you guys. I got this off of Amazon. When I bought this, there was 2 in a set, and it comes with 2 brushes for cleaning in between. So, and it was a really good deal. Not exactly sure how much I paid for it. I think it was like 12 or 16. I think it was 12. But so worth it. Now I'm going to put in my chili powder. I don't measure it, but I'm not going to make it too spicy. I'm just going to put a little bit on top. And then you can just taste test it. I'm going to stir that all up because it's a big pot, and I still got meat to put in there yet once the meat is done. I'm going to give it a stir, and then I'm just going to taste test it to see how spicy it is. I'm taking the lazy way out. I usually make homemade garlic bread to go with it, but I got some garlic butter here, and I'm going to use this instead. Instead of making it homemade, it'll be like a quick supper that way. There's the finished product. I got some shredded mozzarella cheese spread over the top, and there's my garlic bread on the side. That's the chili. It's all done. See, I haven't tested it, but I'd say it's pretty good. I haven't tested the broth. I was supposed to, but I didn't do it, but it should be fine.